Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this official platform of Legacy IS Academy. So today in this session I am going to discuss one of the most important issue which usually students faced while they are going for mock test. अब होता ये है कि many a times we not know the facts, we may not know the facts, but we are fed with beliefs, okay, and that creates a blunder in your examination. अब आप कहेंगे कि सर आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं? अभी 2 दिन पहले, okay, 2 days ago, that is on 17th March, okay, 17th March को याद रखिएगा that Joseph Baptista, he was born on 17th March 1864. अब आप कहेंगे कि सर जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा कौन है? जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा, he was a colleague of Lokmanya Tilak. He was also a freedom fighter. He was also the president. He was the first president of Home Rule League. जब आप होम रूल लीग मूवमेंट पढ़ते हैं तो वहां पर जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा का नाम सामने आता है. क्लियर? अब आप कहेंगे कि सर बिलीव की आपने बात क्यों की? तो बात यह है कि दैट बहुत सारे लोगों ने कोटेशन सुना होगा एंड दैट इज अ फेमस कोटेशन ऑफ होम रूल लीग दैट स्वराज इज माय बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट. क्लियर? नाउ इफ आई आस्क हु क्वाइंड दिस स्लोगन, सो आप सभी लोग कहेंगे दैट लोकमान्य तिलक और बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बट दैट इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर. दैट इज व्हाई मेनी अ टाइम्स व्हेन यू सी that when you think that you have done correctly in prelims paper, but when the answer key of UPSC out, okay, then they always give a different answer. Getting my point? So the correct answer of this slogan, that is Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, the correct answer is, who coined this slogan? That is Joseph Baptista. Getting my point? Joseph Baptista. आप देख सकते हैं यहां पर, ओके, जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा. सो अ क्लोज एसोसिएट ऑफ लोकमान्य तिलक. जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा, अ क्लोज एसोसिएट ऑफ लोकमान्य तिलक, एंड ही इज सपोज टू हैव कॉइन्ड द स्लोगन कॉल्ड एज स्वराज इज माय बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट. दिस मच इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. अब काफी सारे लोगों के लिए ये शॉकिंग चीज होगी कि हमने तो यही चीज पढ़ा था, ओके, बट वेन एवर यूपीएससी आस्क कॉइन्ड द टर्म, so now this year in newspaper it is, these things are given, so there are high chances that they can ask this question in UPSC prelims 2024. हमें इन छोटी छोटी न्यूज पर हम ध्यान नहीं देते, बट क्वेश्चन इन्हीं न्यूज से बनते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा, who was born on 17th March 1864 and his tenure was there till 18th September 1930. तो इनका जो पूरा टेन्योर है दैट इज टिल 18 सितंबर 1930. क्लियर? नाउ अब मैं आपको सबसे पहले कुछ चीजें बताना चाहूंगा. ही वॉज एन एक्टिविस्ट फ्रॉम बॉम्बे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. नाउ जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा, एक्टिविस्ट from Bombay as well as freedom fighter and also close associate of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Close associate of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Clear everyone? Now he was closely associated with Lokmanya Tilak, he was closely associated with Home Rule movement also, and remember this thing, he was the first president of Home Rule League. First president of Home Rule League. Clear? So these things are very important because as in your UPSC syllabus it is given important personalities with respect to freedom struggle. Clear? Now he was also elected as a mayor of Bombay in 1916. बहुत important चीज है. He was also elected as a mayor of Bombay in 1925. ये याद रखिएगा, 1925 he became a mayor of Bombay. He was elected as a mayor of Bombay and he got the title called as Kaka. Kaka in English it is called as uncle. He got the title called as Kaka. As you can see here, he was Mumbai's first mayor. ये मुंबई के फर्स्ट मेयर थे from 1925 to 1926. As you can see here, clear? And that is why he was also called as Kaka by his colleagues, was affectionately called as Kaka. Kaka means uncle in English. Clear? So now Joseph Baptista, he was also associated with Bal Gangadhar Tilak in terms of launching public Ganpati celebration, which was started in 1896, cultural festivals. Cultural festivals. Clear? So why these cultural festivals were started? To raise the nationalistic feelings. अब आप सभी ने सुना होगा that बाल गंगाधर तिलक started two important festivals called as Ganpati festival and second was Shivaji festival. Shivaji festival. Now if UPSC asks what do these festivals represents? So let me tell you these festivals. Now Ganpati festival, Ganpati represents dharma. Ganpati represents dharma and Shivaji represents नीति. शिवाजी रिप्रेजेंट्स नीति. ये याद रखिएगा सिग्निफिकेंस है इन दोनों फेस्टिवल का. गणपति रिप्रेजेंट्स धर्म, शिवाजी रिप्रेजेंट्स नीति. दिस मच इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. So that is why cultural movement or cultural festivals were started by Lokmanya Tilak from 1893 till to 1896 for cultural nationalism. Cultural nationalism among youth and other aspects of society. This much is clear to all of you. ये याद रखिएगा. Now we were discussing about Joseph Baptista, who was the first president of Home Rule League, who was also the elected mayor of Bombay in 1925. Now before that, Joseph Baptista, he was elected in Mumbai or Bombay's municipal corporation. 1901 में जोसेफ बैप्टिस्टा, याद रखिएगा, he was elected in Bombay Municipal Corporation. So I am just telling you some important facts so that these facts can help you in your prelims examination. So Joseph Baptista was elected in Bombay Municipal Corporation in 1901. This is very important. I think few people they knew about this. Getting my point? So he was elected in Bombay Municipal Corporation in 1901. Clear? Now that is why he started advocating the idea of Irish movement also, Irish Home Rule movement. So Joseph Baptista was influenced by Irish Home Rule movement, but in Indian version. Getting my point? That is why his thinking and Lokmanya Tilak thinking, that is why they came together, they became close associate and they started a movement finally in 1916. Clear? And both the leaders, they have cooperated in that Sarvajanik Ganpati festival also. Getting my point? So this is the relevance of Joseph Baptista in terms of freedom movement. Now 1920, अब आप कहेंगे कि सर 1920 क्यों? Now as you can see here in newspaper itself that he was a labor leader And in 1920, Joseph Baptista founded All India Trade Union Congress. Clear? In 1920, ये याद रखिएगा that in 1920 Joseph Baptista founded All India Trade Union Congress, and he was championing the cause of mill workers, laborers, clear, postal workers and other blue collar workers. This much is clear to all of you. अब आप कहेंगे कि सर सोर्स क्या है? There is a founding document of All India Trade Union Congress, so you can see there. Source is founding document of All India Trade Union Congress 1920. Remember this thing. Clear everyone? And then in 1925 he was elected as a Bombay mayor, okay, elected as a mayor of Bombay Municipal Corporation. Clear? अब जब ये मेयर बने तो इनका फोकस किस पर था बॉम्बे में? इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड पब्लिक सर्विसेज. सो व्हेन ही बिकेम अ मेयर of Bombay Municipal Corporation, so mayor of Bombay Municipal Corporation, so his focus was on two things. First, it was on infrastructure. Another was on public services. Public services. This much is clear to all of you. So this is the relevance of Joseph Baptista in terms of India's freedom struggle. अब आप कहेंगे कि सर what were his policies or important contribution throughout his career? So throughout his career he promoted secularism. Clear? So he advocated for secularism. Remember this thing, importance. Advocated for secularism throughout his career. That is very important. Okay. Now he opposed separate electorates for Muslims also, separate electorates based on other religions also. Clear? So that is why he was a secular leader. Second important thing, he also inspired his fellow leaders. He also inspired his fellow leaders in trade union congress as well as in congress parties. This much is clear to all of you. So this is the relevance of Joseph Baptista. So finally his birth anniversary was there on 17th of March. That is why there was wonderful article in newspaper. That is why we discussed this article here, so that you should not do wrong you should not take wrong answers in your prelims examination. Clear? Because modern history considers an important aspect in your prelims examination. Every year they ask around 7 to 8 questions from modern India. Clear? As in your syllabus itself, important personalities of freedom struggle are given. That is why you should focus on these small news. Thank you so much.